Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we are going to put new axle shafts in this 8/8 axle in this car. And these are going to be a little bit narrower and get rid of the ABS tone ring here, which will give us 3/4 of an inch inward on the wheel mounting flange for these and give us a little bit more tire clearance up to the top edge here. So let's get to it and see what we can get done. made some decent progress this week. We got these new axles in, at least on this side. It definitely does what we were hoping, where we're gaining a little bit more tire clearance to the lip here. And back here we have the brake bracket that I had to put on for putting the Fox length axles in here, so that the brake caliper and rotor would be in the same place that it needed to be. It's looking good. I think it's going to do what I needed it to. Still got to go and finish the driver's side here. Got to get the wheel studs pressed in all the way, and then we'll be good. I'm still waiting on the bars I need to finish the upper control arm mounts. It's going to be probably another week or two before I can get those. So I'm probably going to move on to something else next week. Maybe start working on front suspension or something. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.